Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to upload image photo on a Shutterstock contributor account. It's a quick process, so let's get started. First, open the Shutterstock contributor app. On the home screen, tap the upward arrow at the bottom right. Then tap Start Here. This will open the albums on your phone where you can select the image you want to upload. Once you pick your image, tap the blue Add button at the top right. The app will begin uploading the photo to your account. When the upload is complete, tap on the image to continue. Now comes an important step, filling out the details. Add a clear description of the photo and use as many keywords as possible that match what people might search for. Shutterstock allows up to 7 keywords, and it's best to use all of them if they're relevant. Next, select categories that fit your image, for example, arts or holidays. If your photo needs a release, be sure to upload it here as well. After that, tap Submit. Note that Shutterstock requires a minimum of 7 keywords before you can submit, so double-check that part. Once submitted, your photo will move into pending status while Shutterstock reviews it. If approved, it will go live in your portfolio and be available for buyers to purchase. And that's it. That's how to upload an image to your Shutterstock contributor account.